Good morning, it's Captain Bruce, Statewide Marine. Today we're located at Harbortown Marina in Dania Beach, and we're here today to work on one of our good customers' boat. It's the 48 Riviera foreign exchange. This boat is located in Bermuda and is now here for us to retrofit all the evaporators. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We originally went to this boat in Bermuda 2 years ago to work on the cockpit freezer, which is located behind the ladder there. So let's go on board real quick, show you what we got going on. We will be at the boat show this year, so if you are going to the Miami Boat Show, stop by the Dometic booth and say hi. We'd be more than happy to talk to you and answer any questions that you might have. Okay, here's some of our new evaporators that we have ready, which these three are going to be installed down here in this hole, which if I stick it down there a little farther, you'll see that the other three evaporators, the other two are actually located over here. That's the third one. So change those out. We also are having an issue with the ductwork here for the salon. We had them open the hole up here to find out why they weren't getting any air through the supply. So this is what we find. We find this ductwork connected to this ductwork that runs to this ductwork, which opens into this ductwork. So if you know anything about it, you know what the issue is there. Got a brand new roll flex. We're going to change that out. We'll take one quick step down here, and that's the end of our video. Ivan's already working here in the master, which was the first evaporator that we removed. That's already out. There's our new one. Goes in that hole. Take left port stateroom. We gotta get in here and check out the display and make sure the display works, because the evaporator for this particular room, thank God, is down the hole. And finally, our last evaporator will be the forward, which is right here, and this one's going to be a little bit more difficult, but we are going to manage. As you can see, we had to have the mirror removed, and here's where it's located. So it's a pretty tight fit in there, but we will make it happen. So that's our video. We appreciate you watching again. Any sales, service, warranty work, we do it all. And Russell Young, if you're watching this video, you know who owns this boat, because it's your buddy. So we appreciate it again. Look forward to your business. Thanks again for watching our video. Have a great day.